Hi guys! Want to make your gift box stand out with minimal effort? Join us as we show you how to create beautifully wrapped gift with just a few ribbons. For this tutorial, you'll need 3 colors of ribbon: green, purple, and sky blue. First, take your green ribbon.
Start by attaching it to the top of the box, positioning it vertically and horizontally to create a cross shape. Repeat the process with the remaining 2 ribbons and you're done.
And there you have it. With just simple step, your gift box is beautifully adorned and ready to impress.